Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about cloud formation services, which is provided by the Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is a cloud platform which provides a lot of services like compute, storage, database, developer tools. And in this video, I would like to talk about cloud formation. CloudFormer is a template creation beta pool that creates an AWS CloudFormation template from existing AWS resources like EC2, S3 databases like RDS from our account. We can select any supported AWS resources that are running in our account, and CloudFormer creates a template and it stores in Amazon S3 bucket. In CloudFormer we can create stacks and we can design a template. Creating stack helps us to manage the resources easily, and with designing template we can easily design the platform or the infrastructure in AWS. When we go to the the template platform, we can see all the resources are listed in the left hand side, and it is easy to design in this platform by clicking the resources and just dragging it into the editor. So below we can see the script is listed and we can edit over here according to our needs. So the template language is available both JSON and YAML. So it is easy to design our own template in this platform. So I will just leave this page. So in this video I would like to create a template. So first of all we have to create a new stack to create a template by using Amazon resources. So to create a stack, just click create stack button. So it will lead this window and we can design a template from here, and we can select a sample template or we can upload a template which is already created. So in this section I will just select a sample template. So I will just select the CloudFormer which already listed in the drop down. So just click next. So I will just provide a stack name. So I will just give CloudFormer new as my stack name, and we can give the password to it. I have given the password. Let's give the username. Yeah. So the VPC selection, I will just set it to create new VPC. Just click next. And if you want to add tags, we can provide the key and value, and uh, all I will just leave it all the default settings and just click next, and it will review. The template review will be shown like this, and just acknowledge and click create. So it will take a few minutes to create a stack. Now the stack have been created and the status have changed into create complete. The stack will provide one EC2 instance and security groups to design a template. So we will just check whether the instances is running or not. Now the machine is created and we can see from the instances window the machine is running, and we have to log in to this instance to create a template. To access this instance, just use the DNS and just open a new window, copy that DNS and paste over here, just enter. and that will lead us to create a template. And make sure select the region where you want to create the template. So just create the template. So by selecting the correct region will provide you all the resources which are available in that region. So we can see there are several resources are available over here to attach to this template. So we will be creating a template by selecting those services uh, which is in the region. So first we have to give the template description. So I will be giving test template, test template. So if you want to select all resources from this account, you can select all the resources. So I will select all resources and continue. So I don't have any route 53 hosted zone. So if there is route 53 DNS records, health checks and hosted zone, it will be listed over here. So I will be just continue. Select the VPC you needed. So I will be selecting all the VPCs and click continue. So just click the VPC subnets. So I will select all the subnets, and we can select the VPC cloud internet gateways as well. So I will be selecting all the gateways. So click continue. So it will lead to the VPC security, and I will select all the default one and click continue. The network is I have selected with EC2 elastic IP address is 50.253.147.70, so I will be selecting that. So I will select that EC2 elastic IP and click continue. So all the resources will be listing if we give access to the all resources in that region. So I have given the access to the resources, so those resources are listing over here. So I will just click continue. So it will lead to the managed service configuration, and just click continue. If you have any instances apart from uh, we can select. So I haven't created any instances over here, so it will not be listed. So I will just click continue. So I am having some S3 buckets in my uh, Amazon region, so it will be listed, and I will select all the resources from this region. So I will just click continue. So if you have storage configuration, it will be listed. So I don't have any storage configuration, so I will select I will just go with continue. If you have Amazon SQS queues and SNN topic services, it will be listed, and I will just go with continue. So I am selecting all the security groups. So I will select all the security and I will continue. So if you have any operational resources, you can select from this window. So I don't have any operational resources and auto scaling policies, so I will just click continue. So after selecting all these services, we can modify from the summary window. So in the summary window, all the resources and the template design will be listed over here. So you can see if, from this summary window, and if you want to modify, you can modify the resources if you want. So just click continue to view the template. So it will be listing all the scripts related to that template, and we can store that template to the S3 bucket. So I am saving that template to an S3 bucket. So just click save template, and the template have been saved. So the template have been created, and it is stored in S3 bucket. So from there I have downloaded that template, and the name of that template is CloudFormer. And this template we can use in any region with modifying the region ID and the machine image as all the related details. We can edit that image, that template, and we can implement this structure in any region. So I have used JSON editor online tool to edit that template. So after creating that template, the template will look like this. There will be several scripts including all resources which we selected from that region. It will include the VPC, ZapNet, and EC2 storage. All the resources will be listed over here, and we can just edit the template according to our needs, and we can implement in any region. So the cloud formation helps us to manage the resources, and it's easy to create a template, and it's easy to delete a template. So if we want to delete all the resources which is linked with a stack, just click a new just click a stack which we want to delete, and just delete that stack. So the related resources and all the resources will be deleted from the account. So CloudFormation helps us to manage all the resources, and this services provides us to understand all the resources. And these are all about CloudFormations. And thank you for watching this video.